Students, welcome back to today's class. This is your third lesson. I hope you all learned the first lesson and second lesson. And third lesson name is People Who Help Us. ஸோ யாரெல்லாம் வந்துக்கு நமக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்றதான் இந்த லெசன்ஸில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், interdependence. ஸோ interdependence, what is the meaning of interdependence? ஸோ the human beings are always depending on one another. ஸோ நம்ம எப்பயுமே என்ன பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா, இன்னொருத்தவங்க ஹெல்ப்பை வந்து நம்ம இன்னொருத்தவங்கள டிபெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் ஃபார் சம்திங். That is called interdependence. So we all depend on each other for something or other. This is called interdependence. The relationship between a user and a service provider is an example of interdependence. So the relationship between the user and service provider. Users அப்படின்னா வந்து we are getting a service from someone. And service provider அப்படின்னா வந்து they are provider to something to someone. That is called a service provider. This is an example of interdependence. For example, teacher. So teacher providing teaching to students. The students getting teaching through teacher. So the user and service is an example of interdependence. And the people who help us. So in our daily life we are depending so many people for our needs, and some of the people names given here. First one teacher, second one doctor, and third one police. So teacher, so daily school time. So in the school means who will teach? The teacher only teach. The teacher gains knowledge. The teacher provide knowledge to the children, and the teacher teach children to read, write, sing, and paint different activities. The teacher only guide the children in all the ways, and teacher encourage the students to do the work properly. Okay, so a teacher is one of helping mind people. So we should respect all teachers. Okay, and second one is called a doctor. So if you fall sick means where we will go? So we will go to hospital. So who's there? The doctor only is there. The doctor provide medicines, and the doctor put the injections. Okay, so we depend on doctors for our well-being. நம்ம நல்லா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா நம்ம டாக்டர் போய் நம்ம பார்க்கணும். At the times டாக்டர் ப்ரிஸ்கிரைப் மெடிசன்ஸ்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, டாக்டர் வந்து நம்ம நல்லா ஆகணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காகலாம் வந்து எழுதி தருவாங்க. ஓகே, and the doctor also travel in mobile dispensaries to treat people in village. So in the village side லாம் வந்து there is no proper hospital. So at the time so in the mobile dispensaries அப்படின்னா வந்து one doctor also is there, and inside that ambulance medicines also is there. So they visit village people, and they provide medicines to those people. So this is a help of doctors. And third one is called police. So we really thank to police, because the police only protect thief, criminals. So the police only protect us from thief and criminals. நம்மளை யார்கிட்ட இருந்து காப்பாற்றுறாங்க? thief கிட்டையும் criminals கிட்டையும் காப்பாற்றுறாங்க. And they are protect our properties. And we seek their help in case of accidents or any crime. At that time who will come? The police will come and help us. And the traffic police also helps to clear the traffics on roads. Okay, they punish those who do not follow the traffic rules. So they are nowadays வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு they are not wear the helmets. So those who are not wear the helmet, the traffic police give some punishments. So this is this is people help us. Okay, so dear students, learn this topic. Thank you.